I'm filming my morning routine for 2018. This was actually already my morning routine before the new year started, but oh well. As most of you know, I am doing online school, so my morning routine is basically the same on the weekend as on a school day. I don't do any schoolwork on the weekend though, like If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, then you should totally hit the subscribe button because we are really close to 6.5k, which is really exciting, so you should help me out with that. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get started. So when I wake up, my bed is pretty messy. There's blankets all over the place and parts that aren't covered, and then I get cold and I try to cover myself. I'm like, what the fuck? I always have an alarm at 10 AM and then I snooze it about 3 times, and then I like wake up. I try to make my bed less messy so that I can like sit in it. I love to drink lemon water when I wake up, and just all throughout the day. It's super healthy and it's just like so much better than normal water. And then I just go on my phone for like 15 minutes. Not gonna lie, I forget to put on socks most of the time and I always have super cold feet. Then literally the first thing I do when I step out of my room is go to the kitchen to make coffee, because I am no human if I don't drink coffee in the morning. So I make that and it makes me super happy, and I just, you know, stare at it when it's pouring into my cup. For breakfast, I normally decide to have either fruit or a toast or something. Today I had both, and I actually had already eaten breakfast before this video was filmed, so I had like breakfast 3 times this morning, which was awesome. And then I just sit outside. I'm kidding, I normally sit inside, but I thought it was good for the video. And I go on my laptop and I'm just like on Snapchat and stuff. After all that, I go back to my room and I just try to organize it a little bit and make my bed, because that makes me feel really productive, even though I really didn't do anything. Then I obviously have to brush my teeth, and I mostly just dance in front of the mirror when I brush my teeth, and then I use mouthwater. Then I go back to my room and start the second half part of my skincare routine, so I just use the products that you're seeing. If you want to see a more in-depth skincare routine video, then I will totally do it, just let me know down below. And then for my makeup on my eyes, I literally every day go for a peachy, like warm colored nudes kind of look, which I'm obsessed with. And if you want to see a daily makeup routine, also let me know, because I really want to do that one soon. And I always blast music, because me.
Let's go, girls. It's a million years, baby, so don't be dumb. Every day is payday, swipe my card. 99 problems, but you won't be one. Right. You want a bad bitch like this? She's a real lady. And ask for me, how you say? Is that what you got flirting? You got hold up. My turn. Be like most girl. Let's go, let's go, let's go out.
Then I obviously have to get dressed, which is my least favorite part of the day. And then I just start my schoolwork, or I go outside, I meet up with some friends, go to the beach. I don't go to the beach in the winter, but it's okay. So that is my current morning routine. I know basically all my morning routines are the same. I just really love watching these and filming them. And I know that you guys like watching them too, because every time I upload one, you guys are really excited. If you don't want me to stop filming morning routines, then you should give this video a thumbs up, because then I know that you guys enjoy it. And like I said, totally make sure to hit the subscribe button, because that would be really awesome of you to do. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram yet, then you should totally, because I'm trying to get my theme back on point. And yeah, with that all said, I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week. Bye!